Hi, this is Bastian for AndroidPIT.com. Sony has just announced its newest flagship device, the Xperia XZ2. And finally, they're getting rid of the old boxy design. So let's have a first look at the phone. The Xperia XZ2 has grown, at least in regards to the display size. The screen jumped from 5.2 to 5.7 inches and now comes in the ever more popular 18:9 aspect ratio. As the display now covers about 80% of the front, the fingerprint scanner was moved to the back of the device. The LCD display's resolution is Full HD+. The design changes go way beyond the now larger display though. Sony's entire design language is changing. All the harsh 90-degree angles and flat surfaces have been replaced by curved Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back. A rounded aluminum frame holds everything together. The changes in design are also being reflected on the software. The Google search box on the home screen now comes with rounded corners. Speaking of software, the XZ2 comes with Android 8.0 Oreo with Sony's own add-ons. For example, the Xperia XZ2 now boasts an intelligent assistant called, surprise, Xperia Assistant. It's basically an interactive manual for your phone that comes in the guise of a chatbot with a tips and tricks inbox and some additional shortcuts to useful features. The camera received an overhaul as well. The XZ2 is the only device we know of that's capable of recording 4K HDR video with 24 FPS. Plus, Sony has given it super slow motion capture mode a resolution boost from 720p to Full HD. This blazing fast 960 FPS high-speed burst has to be triggered during video recording and is still limited to 0.182 seconds. Like its predecessor, the XZ2 also comes with a scanning feature that enables users to create their own 3D scans. Sony told us that the quality and texture and resolution has improved with the XZ2. Plus now, you're also able to do a 3D selfie scan using the front camera of the device. You obviously will only be able to scan half of your head like this though. Not only does the Xperia XZ2 feature an HDR screen, but it can now also convert non-HDR content up to HDR. Sony has also upgraded the vibration motor in its new flagship. Not only is it supposed to notify you more intensely for incoming messages, but it can also be used to enhance the audio experience. By vibrating in the frequency of around 100 Hz, it doubles as a sort of haptic acoustic subwoofer. The intensity of this effect can be adjusted in the volume controls and is definitely noticeable. Our final review will tell. Furthermore, the Xperia XZ2 now supports the Qi standard. Sony will also offer its own wireless charger with a price of around 100 to 120 euros. The battery has a capacity of 3180 mAh. Thanks to the new Snapdragon 845, the phone is supposed to have an improved standby battery runtime in comparison to its predecessor, while having around 30% more CPU and GPU power. The Cat18 LTE modem enables theoretical download speeds of up to 1.2 GB per second. The Sony Xperia XZ2 will be available in the second quarter of 2018, probably around the beginning of May. The market price in Europe will be 799 euros and the phone will come in liquid black, liquid silver, ash pink and deep green, which actually looks more blue. Together with the XZ2, Sony has also announced the XZ2 Compact with a very similar set of features and an impressively small body. We're covering this one in another video, make sure to check it out. So there you have it, that's the flagship device of Sony for the year 2018. Sadly, we haven't seen the new Xperia XZ2 Pro or Premium, but Sony already teased us with a new dual camera that will come with the phone. So we're really excited to see that. If you watch this video on our website, please leave a comment what you think about the new flagship. Or if you watch this video on YouTube, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.